Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to discover a fuel pump bad. Maybe it's your fuel pump bad, how to discover it. Tips to discover a fuel pump. Now when you start your vehicle, first it will give you high start. You may start it up to 5 times before it peak, or 3 times depending on your condition. The second tips is that when you are moving, your vehicle will be not move in a solid way. You know at its ease move before. It will move slowly, or you want to climb a hill, it will be delicate for you to climb. Another tip is that it will be jerking on your highway when you are speeding. Okay, with this tip, you know that your fuel pump is bad. You have to take it to your nearest technician or mechanic to fix it for you. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Safe.